Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve online courses with Kajabi, easy tutorial step by step clearly. To improve your online courses using Kajabi, start by logging into your Kajabi account. Navigate to the products section from your dashboard. Select the course you want to enhance. Begin by reviewing your course content for clarity and engagement. Make sure your videos have high production quality and clear audio. Consider adding interactive elements like quizzes or polls to keep learners engaged. Next, check your course layout. Use Kajabi's themes to create a visually appealing and cohesive design. Adjust the sections of your course to ensure a logical flow. Incorporate visual aids such as images and infographics to support learning. Now, let's focus on adding resources. Upload downloadable materials like worksheets and guides to complement your lessons. Make sure these resources are easily accessible within the course framework. Now, it's time to enhance your marketing strategy. Utilize Kajabi's email marketing features to communicate with your students. Create a series of automated emails to remind students about course milestones. Engage with your audience through webinars or live Q&A sessions to address questions directly. Next, seek feedback from your learners. Create a simple survey at the end of your course to gather insights on their learning experience. Use this feedback to make necessary adjustments to your content. Finally, regularly update your course based on industry trends and learner feedback. Keep your content fresh and relevant to provide ongoing value. By following these steps, you can significantly improve your online courses in Kajabi. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.